Hi guys, welcome to the Craftsy Station. We'll be doing a gift basket from Dollar Tree. We have the notepad stickers, the candy cane, pinball, the ball paddle, the coloring book. We didn't use the bubblegum machine. Let's get started. We'll layer paper into balls so that we can fill the basket with balls to get the product to stand and show all of the items in the basket. We place that inside of the bucket, and once inside we will fill it with some more paper to make it full. Once the paper is inside, you get the center part, the large, one of the tall items to do the center, which is the paint, the pinball machine, the stickers, and it's a little rough trying to get everything situated. Then you do the candy cane game, the Skittles in the front, and also it's two sides to the basket. You add the chocolate snowman and also the candy cane. We'll add that to the front as well. Now we're done with the front, and you can also tape it down if you would like, if you're shipping it to someone or someone is traveling with it. I'm making this for my daughter. And on the back side, we have the coloring book. We also added the jump rope and the paddle ball. We also will add the notepad. It's a cute little notepad with the puppy on the front. I thought that was really cute. And the last thing would be the starburst. Now this is a two-sided basket. It's really easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.